Billund, West Denmark. It's 8 a.m. and senior designer Henrik Andersen is arriving for work at the Lego factory. Henrik is one of 120 designers based around the world whose job it is to make sure Lego keep up to date with the latest trends. Because whilst you can still buy a bag of the basic building blocks, most Lego is now sold as part of specially designed kits. To come up with ideas for new kits, grown-up children like Henrik get to undertake one of the toughest jobs imaginable: spending all day in a white room playing with Lego.
This room is a sort of inspiration room to us all. We can come here and clear our mind and maybe go for a brainstorm. And there's nothing in here that you can look at. It's all white, so you should open your mind to other new ideas.
What the white room has inspired Henrik to come up with is a model train. He's trying to create something that doesn't just look really cool, but which will also fire children's imagination when they play with it.
We start up researching the internet and the real world, what the trains look like, what the kids like, and then we start deciding what kind of trains we want to do.
Henrik's design is based on the high-speed French TGV and German ICE trains.
We sort of combined them and started doing the sketches for the front of the train.
Most of Henrik's train is designed so that it uses standard Lego pieces. But to get the front of the train looking just right, they need a specially made piece. But instead of turning to a computer, Henrik uses more traditional techniques.
Sometimes we do the old-fashioned way, where we go to our prototype room, where we cut it out from foam or wood. This is pre-made, so it will fit on a Lego brick. And then roughly I just file it out of a piece of foam.
Once Henrik is happy with how everything is looking, they cast a prototype of the new piece. And after a few further refinements, the kit is ready to go into production. The main factory is still here in Billund, and each year it churns out an astonishing 19 billion different Lego pieces. Those pieces begin with the Monday morning delivery of raw ingredients. The finished pieces need to be tough enough to withstand the kind of bashing only a child can mete out, and safe if they end up being chewed. So they're made from an extremely resilient plastic known as acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS. The same stuff used to make black plastic pipes, computer mice and hard hats. To turn out the 2,200 different elements in 55 different colors requires a huge factory housing 850 massive molding machines. They begin by heating the plastic to 232 degrees Celsius. The molten liquid plastic is then forced into molds, using up to 150 tons of pressure. These precision molds are accurate to within 0.002 of a millimeter, and the process so efficient that only 18 in every million elements fail to come up to scratch. As each bucket reaches capacity, the machine signals that it's time for collection, and it's automatically replaced with an empty one. To keep the 2 million bits they make every hour moving along, 25 robots busy themselves ferrying the heavy buckets from the production line to the packaging department. Here the pieces are sorted. As every hour tens of thousands of different kits are packed together with the all-important assembly instructions. And as another robot stacks the boxes ready for distribution, Henrik's train set is ready to go. There's no arguing that Lego has been very successful today.